Sustainable Cities Fund presents the Urban Development Funds for Sofia and Southern Bulgaria 2014 to 2020. Our city is much more than a spot on the map. It is a home for us, our children and our loved ones. It's where we pursue our dreams, build the future and believe that with hard work, inspiration and innovation, we can make it greener, more sustainable and more beautiful. Together, the partners of the Sustainable Cities Fund have been revitalising the urban landscape for 5 years now, creating and restoring sites for culture, tourism, recreation and sport. With allocated funding of over €160 million, we have supported improving the urban environment so people feel good about where they live, opportunities for business development and a sustainable future, we managed to rediscover the spirit of cities through cultural treasures and historical heritage, so that more people get to know and return to their roots and national pride. We strive towards a better health and quality of life, a place of leisure for our children to play, a place for us to relax with friends, to capture the interest of young people and encourage a love of books and sharing with friends, to play sports and overcome challenges, to walk once again among the beauty and greenery of the oldest urban garden in Bulgaria, and to experience the exotic animal life just a few steps away. Our city is much more than a spot on the map. It's a living organism that pulsates to its own rhythm among diversity, innovation and opportunity, and a single heart, the people in it. We know that every city has the potential to change and develop for the better, and it all starts with the first step, the people. We continue to invest in people and their future by improving Bulgaria's urban environment. More information can be found at citiesfund.bg.